In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your Twitch account on mobile. So you can't actually do it from the Twitch app itself. So you need to go to a browser on your phone. So I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and then you just want to search for twitch.tv and go there. And now I'm on twitch.tv, but I'm on the mobile version of the website, and I don't want to be on the mobile version. I want to be on the desktop version. So if I tap on those three vertical dots at the top right on an Android device, and then I request desktop site right at the bottom, I tick next to desktop site. That's going to now load up the desktop site of Twitch. Now all you need to do is zoom in and then tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then you want to tap on settings, and then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then it says disabling your Twitch account. If I scroll to the right of that, it says disable account in purple. If I tap on that, it's going to take me to the disable account page. Then all I need to do is tap on disable account. It's optional to give a reason why, but all you would do is tap on that purple disable account button, and then your profile will be disabled. So that is how you delete your Twitch account on mobile. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.